Well, for some, first love is a myth, an impossibility that is only found in fairy tales. And yet, there are some who fall in love at first sight and stay in love for the rest of their lives. Because with love, there is nothing but possibilities. And to expand further on the topic is Leona Lewis with The First Time Ever I Saw Your Face. Show that romance is the heart. Now, sometimes we only get to realize how special a romance is until it's too late. And no matter what we do, we can't seem to find a way to make them stay. And the only thing left for us to do is to keep on living and to keep on loving. So here's Nina with her heart-turning rendition of I'll Always Love You. What's love online? And if you feel weighed down by heart problems, don't despair. As I'm here to, I'm hoping, ease them even for just a little bit. Just like our text message sender. Sabi niya, hi Ate Nick, I'm JR, 21 years old, at ang problem ko is may girl ako na mahal at gusto, pero may boyfriend na. Ang sabi niya, mahal niya yung boyfriend niya, pero like niya ako. Ano yung sabihin nun? And one more thing, may isang girl naman na mahal ako, pero hindi ko na mahal. Anong gagawin ko? Help. Alam mo, ito lang sasabi ko sa'yo. Guwapo mo, JR, may naka-standby ka dyan, Okay, yung sinabi niya na yung boyfriend at mahal niya boyfriend niya, pero like ka niya, ibig sabihin nun, leave me alone. That's what it means. Okay? At ito namang girl na gusto ka, sees but a reflection of you. Na meron kang gustong-gusto, pero hindi ka naman niya mahal. Alam mo yun? So, how would you feel? Now, if you really don't like this girl, you might want to be honest with her and tell her, na, you know, I think you're a really good friend. I think you're a really good person. I think that, you know, how we are right now at work, and anything more than that might complicate things, diba? But the important thing is you have to be honest with a person. Hindi naman yung pwedeng sasabihan mo lang din siya ng, I like you. Diba? Just the same way na ikaw, na-confuse ka doon, huwag mo i-confuse itong babaeng ito sa mga statements mo. Yun lang. Diba? What you sow, you will reap. You treat other people the way you want to be treated. Okay? And if you guys are new, so love advice, all you have to do is text me next week, DJ Nikki,